Ever wondered where your Snapchat call history vanishes to, leaving you scratching your head? Alright, first things first, open up your Snapchat app. We're going hunting for that hidden call log. Now, tap on your profile icon, usually your Bitmoji, in the top left corner of the screen. This takes you to your profile page. See that little gear icon in the top right corner? Tap on that to access your settings menu. We're diving deep in there. Scroll down, keep going until you spot the account actions section. It's usually near the bottom. Okay, look for clear conversations. Tap on that. Don't worry, we're not clearing anything yet. Now, pay close attention. You won't see a detailed call log like you would on a phone. But this screen shows you the names of people you've recently chatted with, including voice and video calls. If a name is listed, you've likely called or chatted with them recently. This is about all you get. Snapchat doesn't directly show call history.